Wait. Do it landscape. Sorry.
Okay.
There you go.
And action.
Hello and welcome to Montenegrin Cooking with me, Lee Sorter. Today we will be making a traditional Montenegrin dish, burek. Burek is a delicious snack made from flaky pastry dough and meat in the middle. And so we're going to be making that for you today. And we will begin by chopping up this onion right here. So I'm going to carefully grab this knife as to make sure I don't hurt myself. Okay, get it right nice and center, and just watch that and cut down just like that. We've got some nice finely chopped red onion. So we're going to put down this knife, and now we're going to take the onion and put it into this pan. So, as you can see, we've browned the onions a bit here, and we are now ready to add our meat. So let's go ahead and grab some of this ground beef, just like that. Really want to kind of break it up there. Oh yeah, just to get that meat going. Okay, now we'll get some of this. We're going to pick it straight up. We're going to bring it over about, say, 6 inches, and nope, bring it back maybe 3. Okay. Nope, back over and drop. Alright, so there we go. All that meat is back there, getting a good simmer. We're gonna go ahead and cut up this parsley, which we'll add to that that mixture there. So we're gonna cut up about a cup of this. So we're just gonna plop that down there and cut it in half, right about there. Hey, whoa, look at that. Alright, so we got all our parsley. Now let's bring that meat back up here, and we'll add that to the pan. Alright, so we got our pan of meat up here, and it looks like the beef is cooking very nicely, so now we're going to add our parsley. There you go. Dang it. Oh, sometimes this can be a very difficult task. Ow! Alright, let's get this parsley here. Oh yeah, just throw it on. I mean, we were going for Montenegrin style last time, but I mean, we don't have time for that, so. Oh, this parsley, oh, let's go and check this here. Yeah, that's good. Alright, oh yeah, that's good. Alright, so, now we're gonna go put this on the burner, and then we'll be ready to start our next part. Okay, so the meat is just about done. As you can see, it looks very scrumptious, but we're going to let that cool for a little bit. And while that's doing that, we are going to start to assemble the pastry part. So we have this pastry. It's called phyllo dough. It's a very thin dough, and so we're just going to go 2 sheets at a time into this oiled pan. 2 sheets. We're going to put these first 2 sheets in there. Now they are just about as thin as this plastic, but we do not want to put the plastic in there, as that's harmful to our bodies. So let's go ahead and put in these first 2 sheets of the phyllo dough directly into this pan sitting right here. So I just want to be very careful as I put it in. And, you know, I try not to get hung up on details, just because, you know, that's no fun. Okay, so that looks real good, just like that. So now we're going to grab the oil. I only told it this way. So we're going to put a little oil on top of this, and then we're going to spread it around. So I'm just going to pour this very steadily, a little bit. Just over the pan more. I'm going to try to get it a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now I'm going to grab this handy little brush over here, which is, you know, just sitting right here. Alright, so I got it. Now we are going to just spread this oil around a little bit, all right? Just get it that kind of all over the dough. Get it nice and moistened. All right. Very nice, as Montenegrins would say. So now, for the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of these sheets in there. So we're going to continue this 2 by 2 until we've got 14 sheets on the bottom. Then we'll add our meat. I'll catch you in a quick. And we're back. Alright, so we got our meat all evenly distributed on the first layer of our phyllo dough. Now we're going to do a second layer. Another 14 layers, again 2 by 2. So let's go ahead and put this first layer on. I'm just going to pick this up right here, yeah. Alright, and we'll add it. Very nice. First try. Okay, so it looks good about there. Just around the edges. Okay, so now we're going to grab the oil. Again, I like oil like this. Alright, and that's good. Alright, so we'll put that back there. Grab our handy dandy little brush, as the Montenegrins call it, and we'll just spread that around. Okay, this is looking really nice. Alright, so again, we'll come back to you when we've got all layers on, and we'll get to the next step. Okay, so I took the liberty of finishing up the last layers of the phyllo dough over the meat, and I also cut it up into 12 individual squares. Because the next step is to create a liquid mixture that we will then pour over the top of this and just kind of bring the whole thing together. So let's begin by cracking these 6 eggs into this bowl right here. We'll just go one at a time, just like that. They say it's impossible. I guess it is. Okay, so there's one. Hey, next we're gonna add the yogurt. So let me just clear this bowl out of here. Just shove that out of there. And I'm gonna grab the yogurt, slide it over here. I'm also gonna grab the 1 cup, which is in front of me. There you go. And so I'm gonna add 1 cup of this Greek yogurt. Okay. Now we'll plop that right in there with those eggs. Add a little more in there. All right. Can't be afraid to use your hands. It's getting a little dirty. Alright. So that's pretty close to getting it all in there. Okay, sorry. Next we're going to get the 1/2 cup, which is also out in front here. There we go. Alright, and we're going to add another 1/2 cup of the yogurt. There we go. Alright, and just throw it in. Just throw it in. Okay, so that's it for the yogurt. We're going to get that yogurt out of there, out of the way here. So actually, we're going to keep the 1 cup. We're going to grab the seltzer water over here. The seltzer water is just straight ahead. This one. There we go. Alright, so the cap is already off. So I'm going to pick up this seltzer water and get it in the cup there and stop. Alright. So we'll add that to our mixture. And I believe, I just have to check real quick. Yes, we also need a 1/2 cup of the seltzer water. So we're going to have the 1/2 cup. It's good that it's mostly clean. Just so... Okay, that's probably about 1/2 cup. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So let's get this mess out of here. Just push it off the side. Grab the whisk. Okay, so we got our liquid mixture all nice and mixed up. Now we're going to take it and just kind of evenly pour it over the pastry. Just like that, and then we'll move towards the back. That's it, very nice. Just get it all around. So now, that's gonna soak up, and we'll just let that chill for a few minutes, and then we'll pop it in the oven. Out of the belly of the beast. Looking very good. Just gotta make sure to let it cool, and then we'll dig in.